Everybody's been asking about the Rove Travel Lites. This is actually a bunkhouse unit that's coming home with us. This is an off-road bunkhouse, so it has the bigger tires. It still has a one-piece seamless roof, and all of the Travel Lite trailers come with an on-demand tankless water heater. This, of course, includes the awning, and this one has a great big step. So this bunkhouse we have not had on our lot, and we've been asking, a lot of people have been asking for a tour. When you walk in, to the right is the dinette. That table has legs that can stand up, so you can have a table if you desire, or you can make that into a good sized bed. Fridge, wet bath, sink and stove in the center with the bunks in the back. Let's take a look in the wet bath first. Good sized bath, stove, sink, cabinet. And then of course this is a couch which you can make into bunks, or you can just make this into a single bed. So all I have to do is just pull that down, and I did that one-handed because I was holding my phone. This one also makes into a bunk, which I can't quite do one-handed, but I'm going to get Aaron to show us. It's just one clip on this side,
there's one on the
and
other
one
side.
On the other side, and drops right down nice and easy. So then you have your two bunks in the back. The top bunk is really just made for kids. It only weighs, you can only have 150 pounds on that. But then the bottom bed, and it can sleep an adult. So this is your bunkhouse. If you're interested, we will have one coming now, and then the other one, which will not be an off-road package, but it will be coming in October. So if you're interested in the bunkhouse Rove, let us know. And again, all of our Rove Travel Lites weigh just between 1,700 and 1,800 pounds. So very lightweight, very low maintenance, very easy to pull, really great trailer. If you're interested, let us know.